Forgot your Arris router's password? Experiencing persistent issues that a reboot won't fix? A factory reset is your ultimate troubleshooting step. In this video, I'll show you the two main ways to reset your Arris router. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset Arris modem from settings. If you can still log into your router settings, this is the cleaner method. Connect your PC or laptop to your Arris modem or router, whether using Wi-Fi or wired. Now open any web browser and access Arris default login IP address 192.168.0.1. You will get Arris login page. Use default username admin and default password to login. If you already changed login password, use new password and press apply button to login. Once you logged in to router control panel, now from the top menu go to utilities option. Under utilities, go to factory default settings from left side menu. Under factory default settings, press factory default button. A pop-up window will ask you to confirm. Click OK. The router will reboot automatically. This process can take a few minutes. When it comes back online, all settings will be restored to factory defaults. Method 2. The hard reset using the physical button. Locate the reset button on your Arris device. It's almost always a small, recessed pinhole on the back or bottom, often near the power port. Make sure Arris router powered on. Now gently insert the paper clip into the pinhole and press and hold the button for 10 seconds. Watch the front LED lights. Release the button only after you see the lights flash in an unusual pattern or after all lights momentarily turn off and then back on. This indicates the reset is complete. The device will now reboot. You will need to reconnect to its default Wi-Fi network and set up again. And that's it. A factory reset is a powerful tool that can solve many stubborn problems, but it comes at the cost of reconfiguring your network from scratch. If this guide helped you regain control of your router, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.